Hi guys. Welcome to another video of Learning Hub. Hope you are all well. First thing first. If you are new to our channel, then you know what you have to do. Yes, subscribe to our channel Learning Hub and smash the like button. Also press the bell icon to get instant updates of new videos. Okay, so let's start today with Roblox Studio Tutorial Detecting Player Input. Learn how to bind in-game actions to keys and buttons. Connecting player input to actions will give players much better and more intuitive control over your game's features. In this video, you will bind a reloading action to a specific key. Getting started. This course uses the Blaster tool created in Creating Player Tools. You can follow those instructions to create the tool, or you can download the Blaster model and insert it into Starter Pack. You will find the link to Blaster model in our previous video description. How to add models. Models can be added into your inventory to be used between any game. In a browser, open the model page, click the Get button. This adds the model into your inventory. In Studio, go to the View tab and click on the Toolbox. In the Toolbox window, click on the Inventory button. Then, make sure the drop-down is on My Models. Select the Blaster model to add it into the game. Creating an action handler. First, you'll need a function to handle when player input is detected. Open the Tool Controller local script inside of the Blaster. Make a variable to store a name for the action. Local reload_action equals reload weapon. Create a function named onAction that receives 3 arguments, action name, input state, and input object. This will be the function that runs when player input is detected. Local function onAction, action name, input state, input object. End. Inside the function, check that the given action name matches the reload action name, and make sure input state is enum.userInputState, begin, the beginning state. This is important because the function will run every time the input state changes, but the reload only needs to happen once. To make it obvious when the player reloads, change the texture ID of the tool to RBX Asset ID /6593020923923 for a moment, and then change it back to its original value of RBX Asset ID //926281145. Binding the action. Context action service can be used to bind a function to a specific input by using the bind action function, which accepts several arguments. The name of the action. The function to handle the action, also called a callback. Whether or not a touchscreen button should be displayed. Any amount of keycodes to detect and associate with the action. Keycodes are values that represent different input buttons, such as keyboard keys or controller buttons. Get context action service at the top of the script. Local context action service equals game, get service, context action service. Inside of the tool equipped function, call bind action and pass through the following arguments. The name of the action, reload_action. The action handler, onAction. A value to create a touch button, true. A key press to detect, enum.keycode.r. Context action service, bind action, reload_action, onAction, true, enum.keycode.r. Playtest by equipping the tool and pressing the R key on your keyboard. The backpack icon should momentarily change to a waiting symbol to signal that the weapon is reloading. Unbinding the action. When the player unequips the tool, the action needs to be unbound so they can't reload without the tool being equipped. Create a new function called toolUnequipped and call unbind action, passing through the action name. Local function toolUnequipped. Context action service, unbind action, reload_action. End. Connect the toolUnequipped function to the unequipped event so the function will run when the event fires. Tool unequipped. Connect, tool unequipped. Playtest to confirm that everything works correctly. You should be able to reload when the tool is equipped, but not when it is unequipped. Your reloading animation is now complete. For an extra challenge, try counting down an ammo counter each time the blaster is fired. You can then deactivate the tool activated function when the gun has no ammo, then reactivate it once the reload animation is finished. We will be sharing more video and Roblox tutorials, and then you will be able to make your own games on Roblox for fun and profit. Also share this video with your friends. Subscribe to channel, and like the video. Till next time, stay safe and follow us for more upcoming tutorials.